Today's lesson is lesson 102, subtracting decimal numbers using zeros. Sometimes when we subtract decimal places, we have to add an empty place with a zero when we subtract. So here we have a brand X computer completed a task in 0.4 seconds. A brand Y computer completed the same task in 0.231 fewer seconds. What length of time did the brand Y computer take to complete the task? So to figure it out, I'm going to take the brand X time, 0.4, and subtract 0.231. Now I can't subtract because I have nothing up here to subtract from. So I'm going to add some zeros so I can subtract the numbers. So I have, remember to line up the decimal places. So I can't take 1 away from 0, so I'm going to have to go all the way to the left, borrow from the 4, 4 becomes a 3, this one becomes a 10, I borrow from it and becomes a 9, and this one becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 7, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Decimal comes straight down. So my answer is it took computer Y 0.179 seconds to complete the task. This next problem says, a pedometer measures the distance a person has walked. Jana is walking 3 kilometers to Rochelle's house. While walking at a crosswalk, Jana notices her pedometer reads 1.23 kilometers. What distance does Jana still need to walk to arrive at Rochelle's house? Well, I know it takes 3 kilometers to get there. And she's gone 1.23 kilometers. Now notice I don't have a decimal here with the 3. But remember, a decimal place goes after a whole number. So now I can line up my decimal place. 1.23. I need to add 2 zeros after the decimal so I can subtract these numbers. Can't take numbers away from 0. Go all the way to the left, borrow from the 3. 3 becomes a 2. This becomes a 10. I have to borrow from it for this last 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Decimal goes straight down. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So she still has 1.77 kilometers before she gets to her friend's house. Hey, for the last problem, it asks, in 2004, the land area of Laredo, Texas was 83.44 square miles. In 1993, the land area was 44 square miles. Between 1993 and 2004, the city of Laredo added about how many square miles? So, we're going to take the 83.44 and subtract the 44 square miles. Okay. Now, since it says about how many, I know I can round these numbers. So 83.44, I'm going to round up to 84 square miles because it's easier to subtract. And then 44 can stay the same. 84 minus 44 equals 40 square miles. Okay, and that's it for your homework. Good luck.